How to fix the issue where your external monitor keeps turning on and off. So if you're seeing any kind of flickering issues or the screen goes black and then it comes back on, I'm going to show you 3 or 4 ways to go and solve this issue. Now, first thing you want to do is disconnect the HDMI cable that runs from your computer to your monitor. You can then try blowing into both ends of the cable. Sometimes there may be some dust or debris that's stuck inside of here, and that's causing the intermittent connection. So once you've done this, go and replug your HDMI back into your external monitor, and you can check to see if that solves the issue. Also, if you have a spare HDMI cable lying around the house, you can also try replacing the HDMI cable as well. It could just be the case of a faulty cable. Now, if neither of these steps work, the next thing you'll need to do is open up the Start menu, search for Settings, and click on this window here. In the left-hand side, click on System, and then select Display. Now, scroll down to where it says Scale, and make sure this is set to the recommended number. You also need to do the same for the display resolution as well. Make sure this is set to the recommended amount. Now scroll down to Advanced Display and click on this. Make sure you have the correct monitor selected at the very top of this screen. You can then scroll down to choose a refresh rate. Now typically you want to have the refresh rate set to the highest number of hertz available. This is going to give you the best picture and the best performance. However, if the screen is turning on and off, sometimes reducing the refresh rate will actually go and solve the issue. So if it's set to anything over 100, you can try reducing it down to 60. Once you've done that, that should go and solve your monitor issue. Let me know in the comments if you found this video helpful.